A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor, and this is the market update for the 26th of March. Hope you're all well. Before we go into the charts, just a quick disclaimer. Make sure you do your own research. We do not offer any investment advice at all. All the information is intended to be used for educational purposes only. So do your own research and make sure you make your own decisions in the correct way. A very warm welcome. On the 26th of March, this is your daily update. A few things going on today. I'm delighted to welcome you to the market update. On the left side, if you've been in this room before, you realize what this might be. This is a 4-hour chart. And let's go into oil. So we've got several pairs on the watch list today. We've got Aussie Canadian. We've got copper again. We had a good move on copper, 130 pips the other day. Canadian yen, euro yen, Aussie USD, pound USD, and oil again. Congratulations to everybody who had the move on oil yesterday. It turned out to be a really good move, didn't it? And as predicted, it went down to our target, 57.80, and we had, I don't know how many pips that was actually. Let's have a look. We had one move at the top to the bottom, which is 337. Then we had another move to the bottom, which is 207. So lots of opportunities, guys. This one we had a few days ago. I'm losing count of these pips, to be fair. 337 the other day. We're expecting another big move. Let me show you where the target is for the next move. So the next move, probably today, maybe Monday, we'll have a target of 55.45, 55.50 I do, which is some 400 or 500 pips this time. So some good news coming up in the next few days, hopefully. And what I can do, as you probably noticed in the video, is we can now post a picture of the chart when we enter. This is for educational purposes only, but we can show you the picture and it will confirm our stops. It will confirm our targets. So oil, look out, that's definitely not ready yet, as you can see. Let me go to the left chart, which is oil. Yeah, it looks like it needs to move up a bit, doesn't it? It's not in the phase which I prefer. The phase I prefer is this, where the stochastic has become overbought in a downtrend and then it significantly falls the other way. So this is probably going to go up to our 160.26 and then start to reverse probably later this afternoon or whenever, we don't mind. So a good setup, put that on your watch list. The other one is the pound USD. This is looking like a nice setup. There we go. Took its time. I put some arrows on the left, as you can see, as there's some resistance areas here as well. Very significant. This blue line is very, very significant because whenever it gets broken, up or down, it acts as resistance or support. So this is acting as resistance, 137.67 currently. Let me put the pound chart on the right. Yeah, so you can see here on the hourly chart. Now, just a little tip. We often go into the 15-minute, don't we, on the right, which is a good one to do if you want to get in early. However, it is a bigger risk. If you're looking for long-term, more position trades, which is recommended, especially in the beginning if you're new, I would recommend staying with the 1 hour chart, because whenever the price significantly moves below this blue line. This is a very unusual moving average. Very few people use this or know about it. Whenever it moves below it in this, as you can see, you can trail the blue line quite easily until you're stopped out to maximize the move. Aussie Canadian is on our watch list. Let me show you why. Again, below the blue line on the 4-hour, which indicates a sell. The RSI is below 50, significant, and the stochastic is now showing overbought in a downtrend. The only time that these stop working is when the trend is reversing, and that's usually indicated by divergence, which is lesson 5 in our 10-day tutorial course. So in order for us to enter this position safely, we need the price to move down and the price to move below this blue line on the right. And significantly, the RSI needs to move below 50. And that then indicates the continuation of the trend. Copper is on our watch list again. Congratulations to everyone who had copper the other day. So here is the move. And significantly, again, this is a very nice pattern indeed. We can see that the price is below the blue line. And the RSI is below 50, the watermark. And the stochastic is becoming overbought. You can see that it's reaching an area of resistance as well. Previous lows become previous current highs, and it's likely to break down in the next few hours. Not ready yet. So we've got oil going up, pound going up but slowly, waiting for it to break down. And the Aussie is an interesting one. Let me go to the 4-hour chart on Aussie. I need to create the chart because it's not there. Just change this to a 4-hour chart. There we are. Alright, so this is the Aussie. Again, you can see the significance of the 4-hour chart. Below the blue line, below the watermark, below the overbought in the downtrend. So we're looking for a sell-off of Aussie USD as well. The only concern I have, and I will get this up now, is the US dollar. Let's look at the US dollar. Now, correlation is dealt with in lesson 9. So look out for that. If you haven't bought the course yet, why not? It's a 10-day video tutorial masterclass, and it covers absolutely everything. So here we can see there's divergence on the US dollar. The left one is now the US dollar, 11.87. There's divergence, which indicates that the price is highly likely, possibly going to sell off a little bit. But we're not particularly worried about that at the moment because it's not confirmed. We should go with our trends for the moment. Well, that's the update for the 26th of March. So we've got oil, pound USD, Aussie USD, euro yen, Canadian yen, copper, and Aussie Canadian. If they all come in, we should be entering, and we can send you the details if you like. Just go to the website www.thetradingmentor.co.uk and you can get them free. Have a great day and have a great weekend.